Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Last week it was Huda's birthday. She wanted to call her friends home and have a cake cutting ceremony. Usually we don't celebrate birthdays, but since kid insisted, so we did not want to disappoint her. We had arranged for small party at home with all her friends and neighbors. And there was another family who was traveling to India, my husband colleague. So we had them for lunch. Here we have come to Lulu Barwa city to buy some dresses for Huda and Ayat. They had great collections of frocks, party wears. We usually buy from here for all the party wears and cotton dresses. They have very good collections. Please do visit the Barwa city branch. We got her birthday dress from here. Huda only selected her birthday dress. It was her choice, so we had to buy that. We bought similar dress to Ayat. Usually we buy same type of dresses to both of them to avoid fights and confusions. After buying the birthday dress, next day we went to Al Rauna, which is on Airport Road, Matar Khadim, to buy some decoration items. Usually we buy books and all stationery items from here. They are very reasonable, huge collection of stationery items. Kids love to shop here. So they are ready with their trolleys, small trolleys, going for shopping. Whenever we are in Ral Ronak, Ayat gets excited and she tries to take everything which is in her reach. She fills her trolley with all the unwanted things. So finally, when we are billing, we had to secretly remove the things which she had taken. After shopping, we just stopped over near our favorite shawarma shop, having shawarma for dinner. So here Huda in her final birthday look. This is her dress which she selected. So both Ayat and Huda are wearing same color dress. And this is the decoration, simple decorations done by my husband and his friend. As I said earlier, one of our friend was leaving to India for vacations. So we had made biryani for them for lunch. Here Huda and I are getting ready and looking themselves in the mirror. After getting ready, Huda and I, both of them so excited, they went to the neighbor to call their friend. Here I am discussing about some topic I don't know with my husband's colleague. So here is the birthday cake. My husband went and got it. Huda and I are excited looking at the cake. This was her choice, her flavor. She liked that flavor. The cake was very tasty. It was two layered cake. One was chocolate and vanilla. The upper layer was white melted chocolate. Here I am making into pieces and distributing among kids. It's a cheat day for kids. Usually we don't give this cold drink to them, but since looking at the elders, even they insisted, so could not avoid. Here Huda receiving some gifts from her friends and her father. She was very excited because she only selected the gift also. Kids enjoyed a lot. This was the main intention, to have this get together rather than birthday party. Evening we went to airport to drop our friend. He was traveling to India on vacations. Kids wanted to see the airport, so we took them along. That's all for today's vlog. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please do share with your friends and family. To subscribe to my channel Huda Diaries, please click on subscribe button and click on all bell icon to get the new notifications. Thank you.